So he was flashing, telling us to slow down, so I don't know what's going on. And just pull up on the left. That's it. Just stay where you are. Okay, right shoulder check. Then move over. Now, whenever there's always one police car or police van, quite often it'll be followed by another. Yeah, so don't just assume because that noise is gone, you can then set off. Yeah, always do another check because it's usually followed by brake. That's it. So let's just work up through the gears. So he was flashing, telling us to slow down, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, slow down, 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 slow down. Okay, gonna come to a stop. Good man, well done. Okay, right shoulder, off you go.
Okay, let's go.